we're stuck. Ooh, and we're stuck. How about launch, guys? What do you guys think? Ready? Get set, go! I have the TSM all the way on, so you guys can see it definitely makes a difference having that TSM. Keeps it going straight. Two-wheel drive life for you guys. If you guys are liking the Slash content, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Really helps the channel out, helps this video out too. My hands are starting to go numb, but no biggie. Whoa! I can't keep up with it. Pinned. Whoa! Whoa! Not in shape to be doing this. I fell. Whoa. Guys, I fell on my back pretty good. Ow. All right. Ow. That did not feel good. On cement. This is all ice. Got the wind knocked out of me, but I think I'm good.